Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Instagram Reels not playing. If you want to see a reel but it does not open, it get hangs or maybe you get any other issue. In this video, I'll show you how it can be fixed. So first you have to open your Instagram app. For that, make sure you have installed it and also logged in with your account. Simply click onto its icon and Instagram will open. One thing you have to understand that there could be different reasons why your Instagram reels are not working. First of all, you don't have a stable internet, so make sure you are connected to a good internet. Also, if using the data, make sure the signals are right. Then what you can do is you can check if your app is updated. So for that, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there's any update available, simply update the app, and after that your issue will be resolved. But let's say it does not work. In that case, you can just simply log in and log out. For that, go to the settings, scroll down to the down of page and click on log out. Simply get log out of your account and log in again. Then your Instagram reels will start playing. So that's how you can fix Instagram reels not playing. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.